And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey Phone Trader Channel. We back with another banger. So I took 3 trades since last night. I took one last night, I took one this morning, and I took another one shortly after news, man. Today was non-farm payroll news today. I just found where I fit in, man. So last night and this early morning, I took 2 trades with Take Profit Trader, and then I took a trade with my Top Step account after news. So I'm getting ready to show you those trades on the other phone. All right, we are currently on a 15-minute time frame on micro gold. As you guys can see, you know what I do. We've been ranging in this area. So about 9 p.m. last night, I noticed that the market didn't seem like it wanted to pump up here, because anytime you get like a bunch of candles and it's struggling to go up there, eventually this thing want to tank and come down, man. So what I did was I got in for one trade. I ended up losing that. As you guys can see, I thought that by these little rejections right here, the market did not want to go above that. So I was like, this is a good spot to get in, and I want to make sure my stop loss is above where those rejections at, possibly covering this these top 4 candles up here. I'm like, this thing has a great chance at tanking, and I want to catch it, man. And as you guys can see, it just went against me. I said, golly. I ended up getting out early. I didn't like those 2 yellow candles, the way they were looking, so I got out at about $87. I ended up taking another position. And of course, I ended up getting in a little late, but I wanted to cover these candles right here at the top. But as you guys can see, it ended up going against me again. And then look what happened. Man, y'all, my analysis been on point, y'all. It's like I'm seeing the market. I'm seeing what it's getting ready to do. It's the same thing every day, all day, man. I know what this thing getting ready to do. It's just whether I got in at a good position or not, man. But if we go over here to my Take Profit Trader account, as you guys can see, we lost a total today of $152. That first trade was $87. It's all good, man. We did have the account at $513. We are now at $364. It's all right. I'm good, y'all. I'm straight, man. So the setup that I saw on MNQ, guys, this is what I saw. So when news hit, y'all, first of all, last night, this thing just been going. And then after it didn't bounce anymore, y'all, we just started getting a consolidation. I said, I bet this thing is finna take off, man. I got an odd, eerie feeling this thing is finna take off. When news hit, now with Top Step, I can trade news. With Apex, I'm not for sure, and with Take Profit Trader, I can't trade a minute before, I can't trade a minute before, during, and after. I can trade anytime after that. With Apex, I'm not for sure, but Top Step, I can. But y'all, my butt cheeks got tight and I got nervous. I just got funded. I said, man, I am a daredevil. Hey, I do take chances, but man, I just got the account, man. I don't want to go straight in like that. But every sign led to this thing just popping out, boy. So when news hit, y'all, this is news counter. This is non-farm payroll news right here, y'all. That thing blasted off. And I actually had a long position in just to see what was going to happen. So guys, I got in, man. So I noticed that this right here, this is what made me get in, man. I said, we just keep riding up. I'm sorry. So I ended up getting back in, guys. And I noticed that the market just kept riding up. I said, man, I really believe if I go to the 1 hour time frame, what made me believe that the market still wanted to go up is because my analysis was that the market is about to come touch this 1 hour supply zone. And that joker wicked it perfectly. It finished below the 1 hour supply zone. So I said, you know what? I really think that the market really wants to keep riding up, and it's gonna struggle to get up there, because I was paying attention to this. I didn't get in yet, man. I said, man, I bet you the market wants to go touch this 1 hour demand supply zone. I know it do. I said, man, I really want to get in for this, man. I know it's getting ready to touch it, but I need a good position. So what I did, guys, was these rejections right here. When the market, I had placed this little wedge. Now, previous, this wedge would say that the market is getting ready to struggle out of this wedge and then come down. But my analysis was that this line, the market really wanted to touch this 1 hour supply zone to go grab gaps. I said, man, I'm gonna take a chance. So after this rejection right here, I said, okay, it rejected, it came down, it touched this white line again with this yellow candle right here, and then it was slowly going back up. I said, man, I'm finna get in. I'm finna get in where the market was struggling to get above this white line, right where you see these candles finished, right where my red zone is at. That's where I got in there. And I risked $100 for a 25-point stop loss to make sure that I covered at least a little bit of that previous low down there. I got in, and that's all she wrote, man. That was a good setup. It was a good trade, man. So my analysis was that the market wanted to go grab that 1 hour, and it did, guys. So we go over here to my Top Step account. We go to account. Now with Top Step, as you guys can see, it is funded. I paid the activation fee last night, and this is an official funded account. Guys, I have 3 funded accounts. So last night I activated the account, and also, guys, with Top Step, in order to get a payout, you need $200 or more for 5 trading days. So today makes 1 day so far of $200 to go towards my 5 days of $200. It go towards this. So I only need 4 more days of $200 or more on each day. So once I get 4 more days of $200, I can get a payout, guys. So man, we doing good, y'all, man. We are doing really good, man. All right, guys. So now we are on my Apex account. As you guys can see, we did not trade this account today, and today is Friday, June 6th. We did not trade this account because we took 3 straight L's. I said I'm gonna leave that alone, man. Now, if I go back to my Take Profit Trader account, we lost a little bit, but it's all good. We still have the accounts in a good spot. Hey, we ain't blown the accounts. That's all that matters. We still got them. Now, if I scroll over and go to Top Step, we made profit today in this bad boy. I only need 4 more days of $200, man. We doing good, y'all. We doing really good, man. I'm blessed and I'm thankful, y'all. Self-explanatory trade, man. We did good today, man. I got that first day out, man. It's like I'd be nervous of taking a trade, but I'm like, man, I'm risking low. We doing good. We straight. We're going to be persistent and consistent. We're going to stick to the strategy. We're going to use proper risk management. We're not going to get greedy. We are going to continue what we're doing, man. And that's being a good trader, being patient, waiting for the setup, man. I'm not finna blow no more accounts, and I'm so proud of myself, y'all, man. I've come a long way. There's no point in blowing accounts, Corey. Take your time, dog. If you don't take your time and you rush something, then your money is wasted. So I'm in a very good space. Even after that trade that I missed out on, $1,100, my old self would have got right back in, man, rushing trades, and would have blown the account. I'm so proud of myself. because I was upset about that trade, man. But I said, you know what, Corey? You got another account, bro. You got other accounts you got to take care of. Leave that account alone. Man, come back better the next time. It's all right, man. I've had accounts down almost to being blown and brought them back to life like Lazarus. So it's like, bro, what are you rushing trades for, man? Just do your thing. It's either going to play out your way or it's not. Just be patient, bro. And, man, I'm really loving the space I'm in, man. Even I had some personal things going on in my life, man, and I have not let that bother me. It's like, now I'm seeing what it's like to not let your emotions get the best of you when trading, man. It's like I'm pushing all the emotions to the side and I want to become a good trader. And I'm starting to see the process, y'all. After 2 years of trading, it's getting ready to come up on 2 years, man. And I've come a long way, man. Man, we're doing good, y'all. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey the Phone Trader got coming out, man. On that note, peace, blessings. I love y'all, man. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1, I holla. Peace out, baby. We doing good, man. It's about to rain. Y'all see that, man? I'm finna go get me something to eat and chill out. Peace.